Hey everyone! Okay, I am talking about this green thing right here. This is the magnet ball and it's amazing. So I just put this in my washing machine. It doesn't work on a front loader though because it's kind of heavy. I just put it in my washing machine and also in the bottom rack of my dishwasher. And then another great place to put it is in your toilet tank. And it's kind of like the name describes, as a magnet ball, and the magnet inside of it prevents calcium from building up inside your dishwashers, washing machines, and toilet tanks too, so it can help with that really rough ring that you get around your toilet tanks. And it helps then have softer water for washing your clothes, washing your dishes, or in your toilet. So you end up using less laundry detergent, less dishwasher detergent, which of course saves you money, and it just really helps with calcium and lime buildup. So I just wanted to show you, this is the one I've been using, and I wanted to clean out a little bit of it just to show you what it hangs on to. So you can see really close there the little magnetic pieces that I just pulled out of there, and those are all inside the ball, so you can clean it up and see how much it's actually pulling out. But I really love this because I have super hard water, and this has really helped to have less spots on my dishes and has kept my clothes softer and nicer as well. So it's really easy. It has a 5-year warranty on it, which is amazing, and just uses a magnet. It's got a rubber material around it, so it's not loud in the washing machine at all. And it also helps to, the magnet ball itself is resistant to mold, so you don't have to worry about leaving it down in your toilet tank or anything like that. So if you have any questions, message me. I love the magnet ball, and this little thing has proved to be very useful in all of those places, and I just buy it and keep one in each place. I don't move it all around the house. So you can go to createahealthyhome.biz and check it out. It is the magnet ball. All right, thanks for watching.